Hey everyone, what's up? My name's PvZ. Today we're back on some Plants vs. Zombies 2. How was your break? Did you have fun on Christmas? I don't know, I really enjoyed Christmas, but here we are I'm stuck on Big Wave Beach Day 16. I'll do this level a couple times, then I may go into some battles. If you played this level, I may play different than you. I've always had trouble with those deep sea gargantuars that he talks about. Here we go. This is usually a good start when it gives me a bowling bulb. Screaming at him. Oh, flip. Do this right now. Okay, we're good. And here we go, the lily pad to put that chomper down. Thank you. I like that vacuum cleaner ability on the chomper. It's really cool. I like this ability too. Like how I can just take so many. Need a chomper. Come on, give me a chomper. Chomper or tangle kelp. Okay, he's down. Crap. Okay, we're fine. I'm doing okay. I've done really good sometimes, and sometimes I think I'm gonna win this, but I just don't sometimes. I've been really close sometimes. Sometimes it's been the last deep sea gargantuar. And that's been kind of frustrating in the past. Here we go, huge wave of zombies is approaching. Tangle kelp on this guy. I'm getting the plant food. Really? Okay, we're good. There we go. Ate him. Put the tangle kelp down. Hit it right here. Boom. There we go. We're good. We're doing okay here. Not the deep sea gargantuar, please. Guess we're not doing that good. It'd be helpful if I had a walnut right now. To block those guys up top. Yeah, I'm losing. Chomp. Yep. It's a really tough level. No wonder it has 5 jalapeno difficulty. I'm gonna do some battles with my really overpowered battles combo that I used in the Cold Snapdragon tournament, which I won for my league. And I was in Wood League. Now, since I was in the top 3, I moved up to Brick. Oh, come on. Sorry about that, guys. I just don't like the ads in this. Here we go. I'm pretty good at battles. Last tournament I just destroyed with Gold Snapdragon. Because it's weak to Winterman again. I'm gonna go with this, yeah. Except before that was Gold Snapdragon. Nope, that's not what it was. It was Ghost Pepper. And it was one more thing that I don't remember. I'll find it. Yeah, Winterman. I think. Yeah, I have that level 6. It's a weak to Winterman, and those do less. I'm just gonna do what I did last tournament. All Ghost Pepper. Ah, crap. But in this tournament, it's enough for 1 Primal Sunflower. Oh, crap. Look at how convenient that is. I do this right away. I did that last tournament too. Just got myself free 500 sun. This ghost pepper is so good for things like this. Even good in like the single player. Already got points. Here comes the Cardi zombie. Deal some damage. I need the ghost pepper to explode on him. Explode him. Come on. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get his cherry bomb down. Boom. Just get an electric pea shooter. This kind of reminds me of the evil potions in Dark Ages. That's what it reminds me a lot of. The Cardi zombie, the new zombie. So it reminds me of quite a bit. My cherry bomb will be really helpful right now. Come on, just give me it. Here we go. Cherry bomb. There we go. 35. They're only at 83. 8,300. Just do on the bottom. Oh crap. Not good. I've gotten better at this game since last time I showed it. Last time I showed it was on Lost City. Well now, on Big Wave Beach. Uh-oh. It'd be helpful if I had another cherry bomb. Which I'm just about to get. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So I was lucky. Yeah, I think I'm gonna win this. I want to get placed 1 in this tournament so I can bring up to Iron League, just like my exploit account. Or my exploit account is also called PvZ Gaming. Basically, I used all the world keys back at Ancient Egypt Day 8 to unlock every single world. Yeah, that's basically what I did. Wonderment was definitely more effective during the Cold Snapdragon tournament. There we go. And definitely way ahead. I don't like what the Cardi zombie does. It's not good. Just imagine that in Lost City. If the shovel zombie's going really fast, you can't do anything to stop him. For sure. Yeah, I win. Okay, they had decent plants. What's in here? 10 tile turnips. Yeah, I can upgrade it. Sadly, I don't have enough. Brick League bundle. We're not gonna get that. Number 7 in league. I gotta get in top 3 by the end of the 6 days. I have another account on this. I'll be recording on that too. It's called PvZ Plays. I've just gone to like Pirate Seas. I'm just trying to get some more gems so I can get jalapeno. Jalapeno or hypno shroom. Comment down below which one I should get. Because I really want to know. Because like, I'm trying to think, would jalapeno help me out in like Ancient Egypt? I don't know. Because I beat level 26 here. I'm probably going to lose on this though. I just want to show you my overpowered combo. Yeah. So, ready for this. Cherry bomb, iceberg lettuce, not ghost pepper, sorry. I'm just going to modify it from there. This, purple walnut, I don't really remember it, but yeah, that's some of it. Bowling bulb, grave buster, iceberg lettuce. I think this is it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, there's one for Ancient Egypt. In Big Wave Beach, there's no bowling bulb, and it's lily pad and tangle kill. And just try and get going here. Of course, it's a torch zombie versus just freeze him. Waiting for that perma. Give me a sun. Thanks. Although the fire peach is just gonna melt that guy as soon as he hits it. That's a little too much. This is pretty tough. Try to block him with the primal walnut down there. I haven't gotten this far before. If I had a cherry bomb, it would be really helpful right now. No, that level's too tough. But yeah, that's pretty much my OP strategy. Yeah, this is really fun. Been enjoying this a lot more. I'm nearly on modern day. But I'm gonna beat 9 levels for here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and then if it goes 44, then I've beaten the game, and I'll show you the final boss fight. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, Plants vs. Zombies 2. And hopefully, I will see you guys next time.